Hello and welcome to Standout Scholars. Today we are going to look at question number 7 of IGCSE paper 4 extended of May/June 2017. We are given 2 points A and B and we need to find a midpoint of those two coordinates. If we take A, midpoint, if you are finding middle of something, basically you are finding an average. Average is add two numbers and divide by 2. So if you say here midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, we given 2 points. We given A, which is -3, 8, and we given point B, which is supposed to be 2, -2. Now this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the midpoint is going to be -3 plus 2 divided by 2 and over here is going to be 8 plus -2 divided by 2. And we're going to get -1 divided by 2 and 6 upon 2, which transforms to -0.53. So midpoint is equal to -0.53. In part B, we need to find the equation of a line passing through AB, and the coordinates given are the same, A and B. So we got A, which is -3, 8, and we got B, 2, -2. Equation of a line is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of a line and slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We know that y2 is -2 and y1 is 8 divided by x2, which is 2 minus -3. Here we get -10 divided by 5, which is equal to -2. Hence we get equation in the form of y is equal to -2x plus c. Now we need to find value of c by substituting value of x and y of any of the given points A or B into this equation. So if we take point A, in point A y is 8 is equal to -2 into -3 plus c. So we got 8 is equal to minus 2 times minus 3 is 6 plus c. So 8 minus 6 is equal to c. Therefore c is equal to 2. Hence we get our equation y is equal to minus 2 x plus 2. We are going to look into part C and D in the second video, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, enjoy mathematics.